Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today with the 2022 Subaru WRX, stock number 6601. This went from the 1221 to the current shape. Here's an F824 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an 8-speed automatic transmission. This is the F824 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 18-inch factory aluminium tyre, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory aluminium tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory aluminium tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door 1 dent, right front door mirror, right front 18-inch factory aluminium tyre, right hand headlight, right front door cone, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreens, sat nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,